Few things is like we have seen and we were like, Snigdha, this is perfect. Initially, when we started talking with the Essence, so obviously the first and the foremost question which everybody will ask about the budget, what work you are looking for, and since it is 2 BHK, so the interior should be very. I cannot take many things, and it's very tricky also. We want everything in a small place, so there's a challenge for us. So
Basically, space management.
Space management, you can say. Yeah, correct. So when we started talking to them, so finally the good thing, the thing which I like, they were listening to us, what we are looking for, what is our expectation, and what is our choice. Like me, my husband, we both don't like too many loudy colors. We want simple, sober, majorly in white base. So they were listening. They are not in hurry to complete it and complete the work. What are they looking for? They understand a requirement, a choice, and a preferences. So that is the initial interaction, and we were very happy.
Final point to go with Essence was like, first of all, the clarity about things, like the timelines. They were very clear, like okay, this is what we are going to discuss after design and everything is over. Then we are going to talk about like the installation part, like how much. So the timeline basically was very clear. I mean, I was not expecting that timeline. There was a situation where we had to go out of city, and I was expecting like okay, it might be delayed because of that thing, but I was surprised. Almost like most of the wooden work were done, like as said in the Excel sheet.
And one more thing I want to specify, that we focused on when we searched on the Google, we have seen the feedbacks, the comments, what people has put on the Google. So that we have seen, and we have found many of them are very happy. They have many people have written their overall experience in the comment box, that yeah, completely they are happy. So, and that is why that we have decided that yeah, since we should go.
And I think like few areas which was a little complex for our design. For example, the kitchen is small, so we needed like how like it can be like I never wanted to be very much cluttered, like everything is closed. So she gave an idea to break the wall, like how it can have a partition. Then shoe rack unit also. Our core area is very small, so how to utilize it well so that it doesn't look odd and we can use it well. So that was also designed very well. During installations also, if you have some suggestions, right, for example something not related to basically anything with production, but if you have some suggestion, okay, we are thinking like we need to change this, so they will do it. If it is possible, they'll clearly tell and they'll do it. Yeah, with the installation part, we were very happy. The things were very clear and everything on time. And yeah, if anything is there, they will suggest also immediately, and if it is replaceable, they will replace that.